Hi, I'm Kevin Cox, and I'm the creator of Method Acting for Sane Actors, the secrets to creating dynamic characters. So I want to say real quickly, thanks for your interest in this course, and I want to share with you briefly what you can expect to learn out of this and how this can help your acting. So if I were to ask you, what is method acting? Probably most people, 9 times out of 10, they're going to say, well, method acting is where you become the character. You just live it, you are that character. And the truth is, that is a very distorted view of what method acting really is. Because, some people think, well, if I had to gain 50 pounds for this role, man, I went totally method. So I just pigged out and put on 50 pounds. Or, I was playing a homeless guy, so I decided to go sleep under a bridge for 2 weeks, or I was going to be a horse trainer, so I just slept in the barn with the horses for a month and totally absorbed everything about horses. And so I'm a method actor. But the reality is, that's just not what method acting is. Method acting is a process to develop all the attributes you need as an actor, everything from your voice, your imagination, your ability to read a script and dissect a script so you can actually make sound creative choices, so you can expand your emotional range, so you're not stuck making just the habitual habits that we all have them. And so we all have to be able to expand ourselves so we can bring our truest self to the material. And that's really what method acting is. It is about bringing your truest self to your work. So not the part that we show everybody in our day-to-day life, and not pretending like when we get up on stage, not pretending like we're just bringing an attitude, but we're really bringing an authentic experience. And it's also developing the ability to be truly affected by your scene partners or what is being said to you, to really listen so you can be affected and create and, quote, be in the moment and to be affected by what's truly happening to you at that time. That's what method acting is about. And that is when you're doing that and when you're learning those processes, that is when you develop yourself to become a really great quality actor. And just so you know, I'm not some dude hanging out in my basement making videos. I'll share a little bit about myself. I've been a professional actor since 1998, and I've trained in New York, Los Angeles. I've worked professionally both in New York, Los Angeles, and in the New Mexico market, which is where I predominantly work right now. And and I'm just like you. I'm always training. I'm always trying to improve myself as an actor, and I've had the great fortune of being able to work with some of the top teachers in the country. And they are all teachers that worked directly with people like Lee Strasberg, Sanford Meisner, Stella Adler, Uta Hagen. So the people that were the true pioneers, the foundation of method acting, the American style of acting. So I take great pride in being able to have learned from the great teachers that I learned from, who learned directly from the source. And so I'm very excited to be able to share with you all of those lessons and all of those techniques. And I promise you start being able to apply these principles, it'll open up so many things in your acting and in your creative life. So again, thanks so much for your interest in the course, and look forward to seeing you on the inside. Take care.